Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Summit Academy North, located in Romulus, Michigan. And at the elementary today, I got to speak to all the grades K through 5. It was really an honor. I got to talk to them today about bullying, but more than that, really truly seeing somebody for their heart before anything else first, right? Just like the shirt says, one race human, that we see everybody around us as human beings before anything else too. And no matter how they're born, whether they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, that we still respect them, we still, honor who they are. I'm outside their main office here, and this bulletin board says, unless someone like us cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. And that really comes down to really the core of what I spoke on, that dealt with us having to care, that so many students, they can't see their worth, they can't see their value. The M on all of our poems, I talk about the lines on our hand, M for miracle, upside down, worthy for love, to give it and receive it. But a lot of people in general, a lot of youth and students, they just don't see that when they look in the mirror. And so yes, it is up to so many of us that finally believe that finally buy into it, that know we are true miracles, to then go and be the light to someone else's heart. And there were a lot of tears today. And I always say tears are the sweat of our strength, they're the start of healing and feeling again. So I was so proud of these students that have kept a lot bottled in to finally start to feel again, and hopefully to be all in now for this planet, right? The change that Gandhi talks about, that you must be the change you wish to see for this world, that it's really our job, it's our responsibility as human beings to really show that unconditional love. And to have them know that yes, they might have been through a storm in the past or currently going through it, or might go through it, but they know that with all that pain, they can still choose greatness. They can still choose to become healed people who help to heal people. So again, thank you for letting me share my heart with you guys. It was truly an honor. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.